Hello, hello, hello. This is Sahar Andrade, your AI whisperer. Welcome back to the AI Cafe Conversations. Today we are in the kitchen where the warmth of the oven meets the cool edge of technology. We are steering up a conversation about AI in the culinary world. Can AI transform how we cook and create recipes, or does it risk spoiling the broth of culinary traditions? Let's cook up some thoughts. And as you can hear the flow of water behind me, so we will start as usual by some news about what happened the last week, and then we are going to move to our episode. So the first news that I wanted to share with you, we have been talking the last couple of weeks about a bill at the State Senate of California about AI safety that is called SB1047. It has been controversial between people supporting it. Most of AI giant tech did not support it because they think it's gonna stifle their innovation, but people like Elon Musk, that is always the odd one, supported it, which is weird because he is usually does not agree with the senator that put it in there, but it did pass. SB 1047 passed with 29 versus 9 voting split in favor of the bill. Now it's down to Governor Gavin Newsom to either sign it or not, and he has till September 30th. This is the beginning of our episode today. If he signs it by January 1st of 2025, the tech companies will have to write safety reports for their AI models. In other news of AI, there is actually a couple of people that created a lobbying company for AI that turned out to be a scam. And the name of the company was called Lobby Matrix. It's an AI platform for lobbyists, and according to the website, the technology can monitor hearings, making sure that lawmakers are important for certain issues. And guess what? It turned out to be two previously convicted felons that did it, and they changed their names, but they meanwhile secured some big clients like Toyota, Boundary Stone Partners, and drug company Lantheus for a 3-month test run. Yikes. Google Gemini has upgraded its advanced AI model, which is Gemini 1.5 Flash, so now it's 50% faster at responding. Once users will upgrade their Gemini task extension, they will be able to modify existing tasks with Gemini, prevent the cues from previous conversations, making it feel more natural. It can help you basically with your tasks. In other news, since Bezos, the founder and owner of Amazon, has put like $4 billion in Claude, now, believe it or not, Alexa, which is the Amazon new and improved voice assistant that was to be called Remarkable Alexa, it will have a new version for it. Thank you, Alexa. As you can see, Alexa always responds. Thank you, Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. So in mid-October, it will be powered by Anthropic AI model, Claude, not Amazon in-house AI models, which is kind of strange. So it will launch conversational shopping tools, aggregated news stories, child-focused chatbot, and an improved home automation hub. The current one actually has been struggling with words and responsiveness, often taking few seconds to acknowledge and prompt and reply. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to try it. But Amazon is planning actually to charge $5 to $10 per month for the new version, but the current classic one will still be free. In other news, Google has launched a bioacoustic AI model called HEAR, H-E-A-R, which is health acoustic representations Researchers can now use the acoustic data to listen to human sounds and flag early signs of respiratory diseases like TB or tuberculosis. This, I think, is going to actually be great for especially people that have maybe a risk of having COPD or even cancer. It improved the ability, or it will improve the ability to detect early signs of diseases from cough sounds. Now, so far, they have been mainly concentrating on TB, but hopefully it will extend to other stuff. I want to give you some tools, and this is actually thanks to one of the newsletters that I get, and I want to make sure that I mention them. It's called AI Tool Report. Actually, it's a pretty good newsletter that keeps you in touch. One of the things that they have in there that I really love to share with you, so thank you AI Tool Report, is that to build a brand identity without a professional designer, download Looka, Looka. To get professional product photos without costly photo shoots, download Flair, F as in Frank, Lair. Use Canva's AI sketch tool to turn rough sketches into polished images. So these are a couple of tools that I wanted to share with you. I want to share a couple of prompts with you. The first one is design a survey or research plan to gather information and feedback to make me understand my customers' perceptions for my brand. I would always, of course, start it with a function like as my marketing researcher or as my branding consultant. Another prompt that can actually also be helpful is as my social media content creator, create a content calendar for the next 3 months, including themes and topics. Share who you are, share what you do, share who your audience is, ask it for a specific platform like for Instagram or for LinkedIn. Ask it to include emojis, keywords, and hashtags. You can also ask it to build it. Start with a hook, insight, then a call to action, and see what it does. Magic! And now I want to start our new episode. This is our 22nd episode, you people. I can't believe that. So let's begin with our AI chef. Imagine an AI that could sift through millions of flavor combinations and cooking techniques to create something brand new. This isn't just a futuristic dream. Apps and platforms already suggest recipes based on what's in your pantry. Even ChatGPT, if you open your mobile app, open your camera, and go through your pantry or through your fridge, you can ask it to put a menu for your dinner, including recipes. But AI takes this further, offering custom recipes that cater to specific dietary needs or even creating entirely new dishes that might one day become household favorite. So for example, you can say it, I want a low sodium menu, I want a gluten-free, I want dairy-free, I'm a pescatarian, I am a paleo, I am a keto. So you can basically say whatever dietary needs that you have. Awesome, right? What are the ingredients for success here? The potential benefits are mouth-watering, endless creativity, personalized meals that could help with diet management, and even reducing food waste by suggesting recipes based on leftovers. And let me share something personal that happened. I saw this person on TikTok, and she said that she gives personalized meals for people to lose certain weight, and she gives you an assessment. I took the assessment and it sounded really good. And it was only $20 for a personalized meal. It made you understand that it's for a month. And then I paid it and I had to wait for 24 hours. I asked, where is it? They said, you have to wait for 24 hours. And I found out that they actually use Kajabi AI. So it's actually AI that creates it. And I get the menu personalized. It's for 6 days. And it's only 2 menus for the 6 days. That's it. 2 menus repeated with 4 recipes. So I answered them back. It's like, really? I paid $20 for 2 menus that you basically can get online? I say, yeah, but if you want to have more details, just go and join our coaching academy. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just actually gonna put a testimonial online that is not gonna be flattering because it's not supposed to be that way, okay? So be careful again with what you do. Be authentic, be generous with your information. Make sure that you actually give what you promise people to do. So AI actually can become an invaluable sous chef in both professional kitchens and our homes, assisting without replacing the personal touch of a human chef, of course. But every kitchen has its nightmares. What about the concerns? Many worry that AI might dilute the rich cultural heritage that comes from traditional cooking methods. The flavors we have known from our grandmother's kitchens, the recipes handed down through generations. Can AI understand and preserve this heritage, or will it blend everything into a homogeneous mix? Question, right? And let's not forget the ethical spice mix. Issues like the ownership of recipes. If an AI creates a dish, who owns the recipe? The program, the user, AI itself? These are the modern dilemmas facing the culinary and legal worlds as AI becomes more prevalent in creative industries. Now, would you test an AI's culinary creation? People are already experimenting with dishes designed by AI, and the reviews are actually as mixed as chopped salad. Some find the novelty thrilling, others prefer the tried and true recipes created by human touch. As we digest today's discussions, let's ponder, how do you feel about AI entering not just our offices and cars, but our kitchens? Is it the sous chef we have been waiting for? Or is it too many cooks in the kitchen spoiling the broth? What do you think? That's all from our AI kitchen today. I hope you found this exploration into AI and cooking as intriguing as new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts, and maybe even try out an AI generated recipe for yourself. Please like and share our podcast with your friends and family. I would really appreciate the help here. It's a kind of a new podcast. Any help is greatly appreciated. If you have any questions or you need me to discuss any topics on AI, please email me at sahar@saharconsulting.com, sahar@saharconsulting.com. We're coming out of a long weekend, and that's why I just tried to make this episode a little bit shorter than normal with cooking in mind. Do you think I'm hungry? So until next time, keep your coffee hot and your ovens hotter right here on AI Cafe Conversations. I love you all. Until we meet next time, stay curious about AI. And just to let you know, I am conducting a AI workshop for branding and marketing on Thursday, September 5th at 10 a.m. It's sponsored by PCR SBDC. If you want me to send you the Zoom link, feel free to email me at sahar@saharconsulting.com. I will also put the link into the description of this episode. Till we meet again next week, again, please stay curious about AI. Love you all.